That hurt. Oh no.
All right, let's build that frame.
We could just skip
careful.
everything and I just go blah, and then we throw it down in instead.
It's done. We may. We're making our little top of the Y here. And then we're going to mount these to here so it can rotate, and this will give us our hyzer and hyzer. I've already marked the center of it. These will pop out. So we're going to mount these here. Drill and tap, our favorite. More drilling and tapping. And yeah, this will give us our rotation here, and then we'll rotate the whole thing to get our launch angle. That's where we're at. All right, drill 2 holes in. I drilled 4, 2 on each side. We got a new tap, so we got a taper tap. We're gonna tap it, and then finish it with our custom-made bottoming tap. After that, we will screw this mount on, and then that'll hold here, and then the opposite side of this will be held by the frame, and that's gonna suspend our housing up in the air.
Tap away.
Let's get tapping.
New torture device. We make you watch someone tap.
Yeah.
Hours on end.
Will he break it? All right, done with the taper tap. Chase it with the bottoming tap. That looked easier than it should have because I already did it. I'm just giving you the visual. But yeah, get the threads further down. So finish that up, mount it, boom, we're good to go.
Boom.
Screw this in, bang there, and then there. All right, mounted. Do that, both sides, and then mount it in there. Go.
Do it.
Oh, we got to mount it to the side. We're gonna try to, oh boy, it's hard to do. Okay, that slid on. Aha!
Nice.
All right, and so when we're adjusting hyzer angle, hyzer and hyzer, hyzer and hyzer.
Hyzer, Budweiser.
And when we want to do a launch angle, we'll tilt the whole thing like this.
The loud noises.
Huh.
Apparently, this is the face I make when I see a flying bug. For reference, Tyler's face, my face. Tyler, me. Ugh, that is embarrassing.
That hurt. Death from above. Ow. Wasp. Punch the wall. The ironic part is like the tool I just punched hurt way more than if that thing had stung me.
Sick.
Get it? Aha! Get dusted! I only want to eat it. Yeah, don't eat it, little puppy.
Does she eat it?
No.
No.
Gonna act like she wanted to. Took a casualty though. The first swing at it. Yeah. First swing at it, I missed and hit this. Great. Oh well. So we can mount this to the side. One on either side to make our base, which will be an X. And then we'll mount this here, drill a hole through it, and that will give us the bolt so we can mount the vertical. We can turn it this way, it almost works. And then we can do it this way and then like just cut little notches in for those holes to go through.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that doesn't need to be taller, and it looks better aesthetically too if you keep it that way.
Yeah, this way it looks a little,
Right?
I mean, yeah, it's just different.
But there's also, you get more plating
Yeah,
like that way.
yeah, I think this is probably better.
Yeah. Because you're not going to put that other bolt that much higher.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty low still.
Yeah.
So I guess we could line this up on here, nice and even. Just bang, bang, drill, drill, drill. All right, let's get punching. All right. One down. Copy paste, do the same thing. And let's drill. We know what you guys want to see. And we're here, you know.
To drill more holes.
We're a channel for the people. This is a Shiesty Drill Press channel. This is our whole channel. So we drilled 8 holes in this. 2 on the inside are smaller, 2 on the outside are bigger. We're putting bolts through and then the nuts that go through the T-slots. So one of the magic tricks we have to pull off is we got to get this side in while already having that side in, or get one side in and then get the other side in with this in place so that we can tighten it all down and slide it into the T-slot from the end. And we're gonna do that twice, but it's like, it's tough. So this, mount it up, left some gap so we can try to slide into the T-slots. We're gonna try to slide this in and then tighten everything down. All right.
5 minutes later.
Just slide this to the middle. Mount this. Do the same thing on the other side. Boom. That's our X.
X marks the spot.
Whew. This is incredibly satisfying. You gotta line up the holes for the T-slot nut. Don't get too far. All right, one side on, next side almost there. Nice. Tighten that down and be good to go. So I just learned something. One of these T-slot nuts got stuck too far in and we're trying to fish it out and we couldn't reach it. We're like reaching in there trying to get it like that. I wouldn't get it. We usually use a magnet to try to fish it out, but I still couldn't get it with the magnet. Tyler took the magnet, rubbed Allen wrench on it. Look at there. Tyler's a genius. Biggest brain ever. So yeah, if you need a short-term magnet, just rub a magnet onto a piece of metal. If you know why that works, tell us in the comments. Let us know. Science us up.
Okay. We have the bottom
Nice.
all finished up. Bolt through here, carries up the arm. Good to go.
Let's measure the height and then cut it, put it on. So when I'm throwing, pulling through here-ish, how high is that off the ground?
About 44.
About 44. And when I'm throwing a forehand, I come back And that's about similar, huh?
About 41.
And then like a big would be up here.
About 60.
And then coming down low would be here.
About 38-ish.
Okay, so 44. 44, and then when it's just for hyzer and anhyzer, it'll come up and down. So we'll try to do 44 for flat.
Okay.
Cool. And if you're, Scott Stokely, then it needs to be more like up here because you're 8 foot tall. And if you're Mason Ford, it needs to be down here. So I'm sorry, Mason. Man's a shorty, but he's a goodie. A shorty, but a goodie.
So that's 2 inches.
Good thing about disc golf. It helps if you're 8 foot tall, but you can be great at 5'4". We have this,
There we go. Okay.
and then we got the arm sits on top of that.
On the very top.
So, but it'll be like centered to the arm-ish. So close to
So we got about
maybe an inch higher than this.
19 inches of all of this.
44 is from the ground, so we also got to take away like 2-ish inches for this.
Yeah.
And maybe a little bit. We'll just do 2 inches. This
Let's
is
do 2.
So now we're down to 25. So it's 25 from here to the bottom of this. So we go 2, 25,
Uh-huh.
17. 2, 25, 17 puts us at 44.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so we need a 25 inch.
Math.
25 inch. Coming in.
Loud noises.
All right, it's not all mounted up yet. We just have it wedged in there, but
Little visualization.
yeah. It's gonna sit like that. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, we got the arm. Oh, that's so sketchy. And then you got the arm sitting on top of that. Okay. All right, and it tilts. See these here? It can rotate. That way it gives you hyzer and hyzer. Yeah. And then on this bolt down here, which is not drilled through yet, but it'll be tilting on that bolt to give you launch angle.
Looks like a thing.
That's about the right height. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
if you're
for
pulling,
sure.
you're pulling disc through. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, because I'm down anyways.
Yeah,
It's more towards your height, which is probably more accurate for pro golf side.
even too short. Those guys are
Too
tall.
short.
Cool. All right.
Nice. Nice.
I think I got it. Woo! All the way through. Just barely long enough drill bit. Just barely long enough.
Yeah, you like more than bottomed out the drill bit.
Yeah. Not bad. See if this works. Oh yeah. Yeah.
See it on the other side.
Oh yeah, it's through.
Okay.
Look at there.
There we go.
Hey-ho! Nicely done. Ah, and then this will give us our launch angle.
Angle the dangle.
Oh yeah, that gets. That'll get back there. I mean, that's pretty far back. And we can always trim the corner off if we want to get it
Right.
further.
Yeah.
But I mean, we're not gonna throw it like golly.
Just throwing it like,
Yeah. Woo!
I
Cool.
want to get it over the trees.
Eagle McMahon grenade coming down on a cameraman's head. Gotta be careful. It's up here.
Like there's nothing like this is just basically could have been one piece.
True. Yes.
Why don't we just use those 90-degree pieces? Then we just have to drill like 4 holes.
Mm-hmm.
Because those will be strong enough.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Just keep it simple.
Put this guy right there. Screw him in, and that should be strong enough. One on either side.
We built a frame.
It can do hyzer and hyzer. It can do launch angle. It's nice and sturdy. Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't know until it vibrates to death, but yeah.
Gotta put the motor on.
Yeah, we got the new motor in and all the stuff that we need to go along with that. So next episode we'll mount the big boy.
And the little boy.
True. This will be the RPM motor.
And then we're done. Well, 80%.
Cool. See you there. $30-watt motor versus 350-watt motor. Yeah, that'll get us moving.